Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks. Kind of a elementary video, but it might help somebody. You've got an object, which is a quarter of an object that you've drawn, and you want it to look like this. The way I do it is I take that and I Control D, and I just take my two-sided arrow and move it down, and then I Control D, and I take my two-sided arrow while holding down the Control button. I forgot to mention. That gives you that. A lot of people do Control C and Control V, but if you want to do that, you're going to have to change this, your object origin. So we're going to Control C, Control V, and then mirror it. And that mirrored it off there. Now to do it again, I have to put it to the bottom. Control C, Control V, and then mirror it vertically. The other way to do it that's pretty easy because it's got a point to it is just Control D to make a duplicate, double click on your rotation and put it right there in that corner and rotate it. I'd already rotated this one, so I'm going to go 90 degrees and then Control D. Well, that didn't work. Let's start over. Tell you what, the best thing to do to get this might be a little inset, get it back to 0 is smart fill that new shape, and now you're back to 0. So Control D to make a duplicate, double click on your rotation and have it snap to, if you have snap to on, object. And then we're going to rotate it 90 degrees. And then all you have to do is Control D again, and you have that same object. There's probably even more ways, but I really find it easier just to do it my first way because you don't have to mess with the object origin, which is kind of cool. And, you don't have to, we could take and Control C and Control V and put the new one over. Well, let's don't do that. Let's go Control V now, and it'll put that item back there. And just while we're here, another way to put a bunch of copies of this is just start dragging it and then press down your space bar and you can put as many copies as you want. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit somehow, and thank you for watching.